At Bayou Plumbing, we strive to exceed expectations with every job we do. Hi, I'm Keith, a master plumber at Bayou Plumbing. Recently, a client of ours just sent me this.
We were told we needed to have a whole new gas line installed by several companies. We called Bayou Plumbing. They think outside the box. They repaired the leak, and we didn't need a whole new line. They performed a gas pressure test, making sure the rest of the gas piping was good, contacted the city, got it inspected, and my gas was turned back on. They saved us thousands.
Call Bayou Plumbing today, protecting the health and homes of our community. Call us today at 409-466-0810.